So you guys can see, right, this video right here have about 11,756 views right now, 66 comments, 95.4% of course like, 292 likes, not too big deal. 14 dislikes, those are the haters. Y'all know I don't like haters. But anyway, let me go to the analytics of this video right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, look, y'all. All right, y'all see what I'm talking about, right? Look, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy Run, and welcome to my channel, a channel where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how this video with this amount of views was able to make this amount of money. Now I know it might look crazy to a lot of you guys, like how is this even possible? How are you able to make that with only these views right here? And I understand, look, if I were you, I would think the same thing if I had not seen it with my own eyes. Now the thing about this right here is like, it's so doable to the point where I would literally break down to you how you can obtain this amount or similar to this amount with only a certain amount of views. Now before I go to the video, I want to make a quick disclaimer, okay? I'm not making this video in any form of things to brag or show off about the amount that I was able to make from this video right here, but I'm making this right here to literally teach and show you guys and inspire you guys that it is possible. Even if you have a low subscriber count, all right, you're still going to be able to make a good amount if you understand and know what it takes to make that amount. Now many people watching this are probably tired. Now I know you guys are tired of not receiving high CPMs or not getting rewarded for the videos that you guys put out there. You guys put a lot of hard work on your videos. You guys put hours of dedication, recording, editing time. You guys spend so many hours on your videos, and then on the long run, you guys are not able to see the profit or the benefit, you know, from the hard work that you've accomplished. So I just want to share this video to show you guys that your hard work can pay off depending on how or what you really put out there. Now let's start with the videos that would not give you high CPMs. Now we all know a lot of the people out there love to make trending videos. There's nothing wrong with making trending videos, okay? Trending videos will most likely help increase your subscriber count and views as well. Now the tricky thing about trending video is that when you earn those subscribers so fast, right, and you start to make different content, those subscribers not like the content that you are currently making, because they subscribe to you because they thought that you were going to continue making those trending videos. So when you transition to a different videos or different style of videos, they just shut down and they stop watching your videos. So now you're going to remain with dead subscribers, which will affect your CTR, which will affect your views on the long run. So trending is a way to literally increase your subscribers count, but trending will not give you high revenue at all, I promise you. And here's why. When you make trending videos, a lot of companies out there, a lot of advertisers love it. That's the advertiser's best friend. They love it because they know it's going to be so many people to make those videos, and they don't have to spend crazy amount of money to literally showcase their product in front of the customer, because they know that people are going to be making that videos regardless. So they can spend a little bit of money. They can even spend just some cents, okay, to showcase that product to all the trend, to all the videos, to the trending videos that could be related to also what their product is. So when you're making those trending videos, just keep in mind that you would not make a high CPM on that trending video unless you get a crazy amount of view count. Then you might make a lot with that video. There are trending videos out there that were able to make millions of views but not even make $1,000 out of those million views. It's just a way to show you guys that trending does not always mean revenue. Trending will help with subscribers and views only. Now the type of content that will definitely help you with your revenue on the long run are evergreen content. If you guys don't know what evergreen content is, evergreen contents are contents that will remain valuable or searchable for a very long period of time. So if you make a video today that is evergreen, even in 10 years from now, somebody will still search for that one video. So evergreen videos is really the way to go to have a high CPM and of course increase your revenue on the long run, because it will be passive until the video dies. Now, not all evergreen video is going to make you a whole lot of money, okay? Let's say for instance, an evergreen video can be how to change a doorknob. Why? Because changing a doorknob is something that everybody wants to learn, okay? Not everybody have the time to learn that on their own. So most likely they're going to go on YouTube. Even if the video is 2-3 years old, they will still go on YouTube and click on that one video that's going to show them and showcase how to change a doorknob. Now that right there is an evergreen video because it will be there for a very long period of time and people will still search that video. But let's say if you talk about a finance video, okay, let's say how to open a 401k account. Now that right there is also evergreen because there is no end to that video, okay? People are going to constantly keep searching and searching for that video on how to open a 401k account or how to invest in the stock market. That is also evergreen. Now, even though both the doorknob videos and the finance videos are both evergreen, the finance videos will definitely make you earn a higher CPM, of course, more income on the long run, because anything related to finance is always going to earn you a high CPM compared to everything else. So guys, if you guys are on a finance niche right now, make sure that you are making evergreen videos that people are going to constantly keep searching every single day, every single year, every single month without stopping. Even though your video might stop getting views, but the content or the topic will never stop because it's an ongoing topic. So let's talk about what will actually give you a high CPM. All right, now product review is something that a lot of people sleep on. Now product review alone would not give you a high CPM, but there's a way for that to give you a high CPM, and I will explain how. When you make a product review on a product that have a low usage rate, but let's say that product becomes on demand where more people are constantly asking about that product, I'm telling you, that is the game killer right there. I didn't know about it until I really started studying that. When a company come out with a new product, or when a new company come out, their biggest thing is to literally advertise. That's their main focus. They will focus on advertising. They will spend so much money on just the advertising process of things. So if you come across a new company out there that not too many people know, a certain amount of people know, but then the company just starts to grow slowly, and you make a video review, all right, on their product and add all their tags in your tag section, in your video description, in your title, I'm telling you, man, you're gonna see how crazy your CPM is gonna jump. The reason why is because they're spending so much money on advertising, and not too many people are making videos on that specific product. So when you're making that video on their product, guess what happens? A huge chunk of the advertising money that is spent on literally goes to you. So guys, that is the easiest way to get a crazy CPM. Look, I made a video on how to increase your CPM, but then how to get a crazy CPM. Now, I'm really not gonna say it's this easy, because you have to understand and know which companies are really out there, which companies are really on the come up, and which companies are really spending a lot of money on advertising. The way to know that, of course, you got to go into Google AdWords to know which company is spending a lot of money on advertising, and I've showed you guys already how to check that, which was on this video right here that I'm going to show you guys again. You guys can check how much companies are actually spending to advertise their product. Before we go to my analytics, I'm going to literally explain this to you guys again. If you're looking to crash this high CPM, you're looking to crash and earn more, then you need to start looking and doing your own research on these companies out there that's literally dropping new products or whatever the case is, and you want to be as early as you can to be one of the first people to make those YouTube videos. But make sure that the company is not too popular. If they're too popular, then of course they're not going to spend too much money on advertising because people know them. Now let me show you guys actually in my analytics right now in the video I'm talking about, so you guys can see, right, this video right here have about 11,756 views right now, 66 comments, 95.4% of course like, 292 likes, not too big deal. 14 dislikes. Those are the haters. Y'all know I don't like haters. But anyway, let me go to the analytics of this video right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, look, y'all. All right, y'all see what I'm talking about, right? Look, boom. Look at the views right now, 11.8. All right, look at the hours, 770 watch hours. Subscriber, I earned about 95 subscribers from this video right here, and look at the estimated revenue. It's 1,205.30 cents. Okay, so look, y'all can see in the live updated view count is still right there, 141. People are still watching this, but look what I'm talking about. This company right here, Umzu, is a company that I came across by literally like mistake. I was looking for an organic supplement that I can use for blood, for the proper blood flow, and I came across this company right here. I like the results it gave me, so I made a video on it. Once I made a video, I had no idea that this company was spending so much on advertisement. So, you know, I made a video, and a couple months later, I was like, whoa, hold on, you got to be kidding me now, like, for real? So, you know, I did my own research. I went on Google AdWords to see if it's legit that they're spending a lot, and they are spending a lot, because this company is not like, it's not like a blown company yet. It's getting bigger day by day, but the early birds, the people that made like early videos on their products, are earning the most. And I was one of those people that was really like making videos based on their products that I like. As you can see right here on YouTube search, about 93.6 people are searching for this product right here. Those are the people that's interested in purchasing their product. So about 94% of the viewers came from YouTube search. So guys, that's like a simple trick on how I was able to make this right here with only these amount of views. Now that's not it. Let me show you guys some more again with just this company right here. So let me type right here, Umzu, and I'm gonna click on a video that might have like a lot of views. I'm want to see all the videos that have like a lot of views. You guys can see like I made a lot. All right, I made a lot. Let me see. I already clicked on this right here. This right here has 1,000 views. Let me see what 1,000 views can give you. Look at this, from only 1,000 and some change views. You guys see what I'm talking about, right? And it's still like, it's still going. Look at this. Search is giving me the highest views. A lot of my views are coming from search or browse features, whatever that is. But I can show you guys again. Come on now. Come on now to run. Let's go to some other videos again. All right. This one right here have 198 views. Or this right here have 919 views. So let's click on a video with 919 views. Y'all will be surprised. Y'all see what I'm talking about? So I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about now. Listen, if you guys don't believe me, do it for yourself. Do your research on companies out there that's literally either like that's starting up not too long ago, about 2, 3, 4 years ago, that is not fully known by everybody yet. Make videos on a product. You can do a review on a product, but make sure you really like and believe in the product, because then your video is going to sound like you're a robot. Make sure you believe in the product before you make those videos. But look, boom, like this is only 900 views. People make 900 views and make like $2, bro. You feel me? And you literally can snap it out, squeeze all the juice as much as you can, and you're gonna be able to make this right here. Now, last video I'm gonna show you guys, I think it's like 100 views. 100, I just saw it somewhere. 160 views. Why don't we click on this right here? 160 views. Boom. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Now, I did not get any subscribers from this right here, but still, okay, I got about 4 views. Okay, all right, cool. So, but still, like, you guys understand what I'm saying. Like, you have to make sure that your videos are based on review of these companies out there that's upcoming. Okay, don't try to make videos on a company that's already established. They're not gonna give you the highest, bro. I'm trying to tell you, they are not going to give you the highest amount. They might give you views, but they might not give you the highest CPM. Evergreen videos are very good on the long run. They will give you high CPM, high revenue. I plan on making all the videos I plan on making are evergreen on this channel. On my second channel, which is the channel right here that I'm showing you guys, it's only about, I'm only making videos based on literally lifestyle, supplements that I take, you know, lifestyle, motivation, all that good stuff. That's the type of videos I make, and I'm able to see like a good amount, you know, from doing that. So guys, that is about it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Nothing too major here. So I hope this right here really motivates you, that if you're really trying to take content creation serious, if you're really trying to take YouTube to the next level, then you have to understand how things work here. If you want to hop on YouTube just to make training videos, then of course you know for sure you have a high chance of gaining subscribers and views, but not so much revenue. If you come on YouTube to make evergreen videos, then of course you know you will have a high chance of making a great living on YouTube and eventually quit your 9-to-5 on the long run. And if you come on YouTube to make evergreen videos, and on top of that you want to start doing review videos as well, bro, you're gonna be crushing the game in no time. Okay, once you get monetized, go crazy, go hard, drop about 3 to 4 videos a week. All right, and trying to diversify your topics. Make sure that your topics are high CPM topics, okay, if you want to see or make a living on YouTube. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, so that way I'm able to make more videos like this in the future. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @itstheron_. Love y'all, and I'm out. Whoop.